Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post videos related with Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Spotify, and many more other apps. So if you want to get notified once our video related with any app comes up, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Now with that out of the way, today's video is on how you guys can change your Spotify name. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And for those people who do not know what Spotify is and they're curious, Spotify is basically an online platform for streaming music, but if you guys have the premium version of Spotify, you can also listen to music offline, or in another word, you can also download it. But if you don't have the premium version, there's not much thing you can do. Like if you want to get like the full access of Spotify, you need to buy the premium version. But if you just want to listen to song, you can use Spotify. But if you want to download, listen in high quality, you need to buy the premium version. So you need to keep that in mind. But we don't have to know about all this detail. I just said it because it's basically a random fact you guys can know. But if you guys already knew that, don't worry, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Spotify username now. Basically what you need to do is open your Spotify and click on that setting looking icon at the top right corner of your Spotify screen. Once you click on it, you can see your username at the top. Mine says WitchyKevin20, but yours gonna say whatever username you have. So that doesn't matter to us. You need to click on that username. Once you click on it, it's gonna show you all the playlists you have created and your profile details. Now to edit your username, you can click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile over here, my username is WitchyKevin20. Now if I need to edit on it, I need to click on this username and my keyboard is gonna appear at the bottom. So let's say I want to remove the 20. I can remove the 20, and once I remove it, I can click on save at the top right corner of my screen, and my new username has been selected, or it has been changed to a new username. Now I just removed 20, but you can also add characters and other stuff, and you can change your username however much you want. Like you can change it like more than 100 times in a day. It's not gonna do anything. It's basically you can change it whenever you want. It's not like Facebook where you change it, you can't change it for like 6 months or 5 months. All right, so that's how you guys can change your username on Spotify. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye everybody, have a nice day.